Hello my friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make the Guinness World Record plane. It's called the Suzanne. So let's get started. First of all, you get a A4 sheet, then you take the corner of the edge, then take it to the other edge into this triangle, but not a right angle triangle. You crease it. Unfold it. Same on the other side. You do the same thing. Crease. Take your time. Open it. Now you should have like these two triangles. One this side, like a cross. Now take this side and follow this line. Bring this across and follow where the line is going until the paper ends. Then, you see where it ends? Crease. Next, you look at the same side again. You repeat it. Look. Found it. Crease. Now, you should see there's this little upside down triangle on the top. There, you should see this edge on the top. You fold it down on the edge. Down. Now we should have something like this with two triangles like this and this big thing on the front. Now if you want to be accurate, you can see these lines. Look closely. There's lines here. You can use those lines and make sure you're accurate. Then you do this fold like a normal aeroplane fold across. Same on the other side. Just have something like this. Yeah? Now you should have something like this, and at the bottom there's a pentagon, right? You fold this one up if you don't use tape. You can use tape, but if you want to use paper, use this. Now you look at the back, which I usually do. Then we make the body part. So we fold it in half. This can be a bit tricky because we may have the triangle, the pentagon on the bottom, but you have to like squash it and then crease. It doesn't matter if it's a bit bumpy because you can always go back and do it again, because it's all about paper planes. Now make the wings. This one we don't go down like this. We actually go across like this and crease. Like, make sure it's hitting the bottom, not any further. Hit the bottom, it's the best plane. Down on the same way, same side, same way, crease. Now you have your plane. Now we have to crisp these sides to make sure it'll fly well. Something like this. Now to make sure it really does fly really well, I always like to make this little adjustments on the bottom. People say that if it doesn't work, they're like, oh no, I can't do this. But you just have to keep on trying, and then you'll get a one time. So once you make these little marks, making sure, like I said in the last video, making sure it goes to the top, the edge of that top, you have it like this. Now, open it like this. Open these up. Now, you have the Suzanne. The Guinness, this one can fly really far. It's really cool. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.